Welcome back to another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. Today, we're looking at the Quick Export feature, the perfect tool for exporting videos effortlessly. Let's dive in. First, make sure your timeline is finalized and ready for export. Once everything's good to go, locate the Quick Export button at the top right of your screen. It looks like an upload icon, easy to spot. Click on it and a menu will appear with several preset options. You'll see export options tailored for platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, TikTok, and even for presentations or Dropbox. If you prefer traditional formats, there are presets for H.264 Master, H.264 Hyperdeck, and H.265 Master, perfect for ensuring high quality exports. To use one of these presets, simply select the option you need, specify your file's save location, and hit export. DaVinci Resolve will take care of the rest. This feature is especially handy when you want to quickly export for a specific platform or format without the need to dive into detailed settings in the Deliver page. And that's it. Quick Export makes sharing your project seamless and efficient. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more helpful DaVinci Resolve tips.